kilowatt fluent? So right now, NASA is considering fast tracking a nuclear power generator and about the size that I described. And one of those would give you 100 kilowatts. Are you kilowatt fluent? You lie, motherfucker. Become fluent together. So 100 kilowatts to 100,000 watts. Okay, that's the power that it can generate. Do you know the power drain of a hairdryer? Yeah, 1,000 watts. So how many hair dryers could a 100 kilowatt power generator?
I'm sorry, what did you ask? I wasn't listening.
Your hair dryer draws 1,000 watts, 100,000 watts, a kilowatt. A hair dryer uses 1,000 watts. So how many hair dryers can this sustain? You're just pulling it out of your 100,000 watts. Yeah, so the hair dryer is 1,000 watts. It can sustain 100 hair dryers.